Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give you some lovely dishes, salad, pudding, whatever you like. You know what I mean? If you have something that you want to share to Chef Ricardo, you can also share it with me. If you want to request something, you can request something. Anyway, today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple salad for the summer. The weather is changing, the time is hot, and you know what I mean? You need something to keep you through the day, like a nice, lovely salad. Hopefully you'll enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe coming up for you. Thank you. Bye-bye. It's just really nice and beautiful. So basically, to be honest, guys, I just washed off some mixed leaf which I just cut up a while ago. But basically, I can show you all of my ingredients which I do have inside of it. I just cut up some mixed leaf, cucumber, and I have 2 cherry tomato right here. Basically I have some beetroot inside of it and some mixed leaf, as you can see. Just cut it up. So basically let's cut this into half like this, just to make you guys see exactly what's going on at the moment. That's the salad right over there. Or basically, if I get some spring onion, please don't do what I'm doing at home. It's very important for you guys. Get a few spring onion and simple sprinkle on top of it like this, just to make a nice, lovely, simple salad. Basically, I'm gonna just get just a little piece of red pepper because I'm gonna add a little bit more stuff to it. Simple, cut it up very small, like this. Nice one. Simple sprinkle on top of it. Basically, I have some yellow pepper which I'm gonna use. Also, on it, beautiful, really nice, and then simple sprinkle on top of it, just like this. Basically, I'm not saying you have to do it, guys, but I'm just gonna pop a teaspoon of olive oil on top of it like this. You don't have to put oil if you don't want, but you know what I mean, I just pop a little bit of olive oil on top of it. Basically, if you want to add some extra tomato, I have some right here. Just simple add a little bit of tomato also. It's a nice, lovely, simple salad. If you're family at home and you want to make yourself a nice, lovely, simple salad, that's where it's coming really handy. So basically, you can see all of the ingredients right here which I'm using at the moment. So yeah, right here, if you want to use a nice, lovely plate like this to share your salad, that's fine. Simple. Mix up a salad just like this, as you can see, and then simple right here. If you want to serve your guests a proper salad, this is where it come in really handy, guys. Please take beer with me. Lovely and nice. And I want to simply say to you, you don't have to, but if you do like, to be honest, if you can also add some salad cream, or if you want to add some mayonnaise, whatever you like, you can add some lemon juice on it. But as you can see, this is just a nice, lovely salad. Simple, quick, easy, and nice. And I want to simply say to you, you can have it just on its own, just like this, guys. As you can see, beautiful, simple, nice, and really effective. This you can have it with a nice piece of a baked chicken or a fried chicken, or you know what I mean, whatever you like. You want to have it on the side, you can have it on the side. So guys, this summer, you know what I mean, you can enjoy yourself with a nice, lovely bowl of salad with a nice, lovely chunk of piece of a jerk chicken or some fried chicken. So hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. I got a lot more recipes coming out like this for you guys for the summer. So basically, simple, effective. You want to add some cheese on top of it, you can put a little bit of cheese on top of it. If you want to add some carrot, you can add some more stuff to it. Whatever you like, you can add it to it. So as you can see, mixed leaf, tomato, cucumber, and some beetroot. Beautiful salad. And this is go to balance out your diet. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.